In this video, I'll be continuing where I left off from the previous video, where we saw the admin dashboard overview and how to add a staff. So under academics, I added a subject. And so I added macroeconomics, but as you can see, you can edit it. So for example, if I made a typo and I entered microeconomics, I could change it to macroeconomics and hit save here, and it would update in the system, and now I have macroeconomics. And then if I were to add a subject, let's say French, and I then want French, I could delete it. So I would click here and hit delete subject, and it should delete it and remove it from the system. So French is gone. So under academics here, you can add, delete, edit subjects. You can add a class, edit a class, delete it. So let's say that I want to add 10th grade as a class. So I click add, and then I can go and delete it or edit it. So yeah, let's say that I made a mistake on this one. So I want to change this to form 4. I can do that. I can edit it. Or maybe we don't have that anymore. So I delete that class and it's gone. Okay, so, and that's under academics, and under students, you get a list of all students. So if I click any student here, I can go and edit their information. But I'm going to go back to all students here, and I want to add a new student actually. So let me discard the edit and then click add. And so let's say that I want to actually, yeah, I want to add a student, and I want to add a class. So let's say I've already added the classes. So let's say that they're in 10th grade and they're male and their date of birth is 01, 2000. And then they were enrolled on 01, 2025. And again, I'll just use the address in the system and click proceed. And add that. Okay, and then add a number. Okay, I'm just making that up. So the person's contact. Okay, so I just hit proceed. And now I've added a new student, Nemo, and I can edit his information if something changes or isn't correct, but I'm going to discard that change. So for any given, and the students here, obviously I can click add student, I can view all students. So add student brings me to that. All students brings me here. And there are some other things you can add comments, view their attendance, and other information. Okay, so yeah, that's how you add a student. I already showed the staff view, how to add teaching and non-teaching staff in the previous video. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about adding a new event or adding events so that you can see the event creation process and how it shows up